Hello guys, EagleStocks here, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about the SPY, why I trade it, how I trade it, and what you need to look for when you're trading it. So first I'm gonna show you something really funny. This is my day, up 14%. You see my line, right? Look at the SPY's line. You see this? Doesn't it kind of resemble to my day? The reason is why about this is because this is how I traded the SPY today. So first let's talk about the SPY. It's an ETF that tracks these stocks right here. It tracks Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Berkshire from Warren Buffett, Johnson & Johnson, Apple, Google, ExxonMobil, and Chase. So if these stocks are red for the day, there's a high chance SPY is red for the day. If it's green for the day, there's a really high chance SPY is green for the day. And also you need to look at the futures, and something I look up is at the market. Mainly, where is it? Where did it go? I look here to the world indices. So here you can see how the Dow, the SP, they perform for the day, and this is important to look up when you're looking for the trade. So now that we know what the SPY is, I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna go to my sink or swim. I already have the chart analyzed for you guys. So we have support down here, resistance here. So I'm gonna explain you what happened here. We were going up, down, up, down, up, down, whatever. Boom, 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 boom. We reach here. Here we formed what I will call the first resistance, a little bit of consolidation. It tried to break resistance here again. It wasn't able. Pull back, a big pullback, at least to here, which it was original support level right down here. Once it breaks that, it's gonna drop. It dropped here, didn't break this support level we see here. So this is how the stock moved. Look, drop, support, unable to break support, back to resistance here. Unable to break resistance, has to go back to support or consolidate like this. Up again, unable to break, but here we saw it broke. So this is a sign that it was gonna break that support. And here, as you can see, it broke it, and then it dropped all the way here. We probably have to analyze this in like 5 years or something to see this previous low right here, because everything is history. As you can see here, you know, this is a spot where support has been tested multiple times and resistance as well. So we go down to support, we go back to resistance, we break, and here's the key: new high, higher high, higher low, and we back to resistance. This, it dropped, but it didn't go back to support. This shows a strength in the bullish trend. We broke our previous, and here's the key thing that I saw a couple weeks back. You see this right here? This is what I will call the new resistance, because it's the beginning where that candle started to go down, and this will be our support. So look, we go up, we didn't touch resistance, but when we touched and we broke support, we didn't break really low, and this fact that the candles open above right there was a sign that it was gonna be bullish. This is where we're sitting right now, and I want to show you this scenario. So we're sitting, this is the next resistance. We're sitting here. If this breaks under, it's gonna go back to the support, but if it keeps rising, it's gonna keep rising to the 293 mark. And this is what I'm aiming for right now as a bull trend. We're in a bullish market right now. So here's how you can play the SPY. Look, we go back above, we go to resistance, we place calls right now, boom, it breaks, perfect, you made a lot of bank. We go to resistance, it breaks, but it pulls back under resistance, which it will be new support. There is 99% chance it's gonna go back to the support level right here, and if it breaks, it's gonna drop to this one, and if it breaks, it's gonna drop to this one. So as you can see, it's really easy. Then I'm gonna add the studies just so you see what they tell me. So based on the study, the moving average, crossover, bullish trend, the MACD histogram, bullish trend starting to go bullish. We look at the RSI, which is showing us that it's overbought right now, which means bullish. And you look at the volatility, not much going on. So that's how I make my decisions, how I base my trades, and how I'm able to do this. It's that easy. Like, I feel like trading should be kept to the easiest. And here's another strategy though before I finish this video for you guys. As you can see, I'm killing it on the SPY. Been killing it all week, last week as well too. As you can see here, been cashing out big contracts. But remember when we said earlier what stocks form the SPY? Okay, what do we have here? Microsoft, and what do we have here? Apple. If my expectations that the SPY is gonna break bullish, this stock should be bullish as well. So this is how you can play them. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find useful my strategy on the SPY. And yeah, I hope you learn. If you want to keep learning from me, subscribe and like the videos, because I'm gonna keep bringing content, and maybe it's something you're wondering how to do, or you lost some money on a trade. So have a good week. Happy Monday. Peace out, EagleStocks.